Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Pixelmon. Centra, you will never get down. And today we're going to be playing Pixelmon in a banger of a series. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be playing some Pixelmon and catch some Pokemon today. Hopefully we can. So yeah, let's do this. All right. I think my Charmander went. Where's my Charmander? Oh, Hoodoo. Charmander, kill that Hoodoo. Here we go. I need a flying type Pokemon. Ooh, that did nothing. Oh, he's fallen asleep. Am I actually running? He couldn't escape. Come on, man. Scratch. You would do confusion. Wake up! It's raining! Wake up! Thank you! Ooh. You put him in the sleep again! Pokemon Centric. Let me put my Centric to sleep. Oh, I avoided the attack, thank you. Quick attack. Oh, he's on red health. He's on red health. I don't care if he... Ooh. Attack was decreased. Alright, bag. Pokeball. Pokeball. I'll just try Pokeball first. I think this guy's pretty angry. Hey, we captured him. And Charmander level 8. Halfway through, and we caught a Pokemon on the first try. Let's go. Do I have a block? No. Now, can Hoodoo have this? Damn it. Can anybody... Oh. Charmander, you have it. I need this block. One block of wood, and we'll be good. Oh. Just get up. Ooh. Ooh. We gotta give everybody a wait, can't we? I want to retire, but that right now they're just too low level right now. Yeah, level 5, I don't really care. Like, give me like a level 9. Because I think they evolve. Ooh. Oh, level 5? Oh, go away. Oh, I don't have any water attacks. What is that attack? I don't like it. I don't think this guy's got any... I'm doing no damage. I think he's lower than me. Oh, good hit, good hit, good hit. Oh, you avoided the attack, thank you. You're dead, mate. Oh! He's surely one hit, come on. Yes! Level 9. I don't care about that. Alright, we need to do a Magikarp run, because I definitely need to get a Magikarp. Because Magikarp evolved. What I was saying, what level are you? Kobe! Oh god. Duh, what level are you? I need a Magikarp. Give me this Magikarp. Actually, I'm not doing Magikarp. Where is this Magikarp gone? Dang it, I lost the Magikarp. Dang it, we lost it. Oh, we're back in this biome. Now the other thing I need is to find an extreme hills biome. Because if I could find one of those, I want there's a specific Pokemon that I want to find. There's one specific Pokemon that I want to find in that biome. And it's probably one of the most OP Pokemon. That's not even a legendary. And in my opinion, it is as good. Go away! Whoa, he's got one shot. We don't care about. Ooh, never would. Yeah. Yes or no? If you can hear my. Give me like high level Shroomishes to battle, because I think Shroomish are only Pokemon here. You can literally spawn level 2 Shroomish. Give me an Extreme Hills biome, please. This is a Mushroom Island. Oh! Oh! Guys, that is an Extreme Hills biome. That is an Extreme Hills biome. Oh! Boys! We've done it! Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Now, there's some specific Pokemon that I'm looking for. Now, one's called Larvitar, which can evolve into a Tyranitar, which is literally one of the most insane Pokemon in the game. So I need to find a Larvitar or a Pupitar. I think it's called a Pupitar, but if we could find also Snorlaxes spawn here. So I would like a Snorlax as well. Is this still? Wait, is this still a? It's an Extreme Hills biome. Okay. So it's an Extreme Hills biome. I didn't want you. I think some fighting types might spawn up here. I have no clue. I need a flying Pokemon so bad. Yes, this biome still goes down here as well. This is perfect. Yes. Come on, keep going. Not you, I don't want you. Come on. Give me the Pokemon that I want. I will give you dollars. What the heck? Probably not dollars, but something else. Something else good, actually. Is there really none up here? Oh, come on. Ow. What was that? It's a mine. I'm not looking for mines. It's getting cold up here. Oh my gosh, it is. It's snowing and raining. Oh, Fanny, I don't need you. I used to find these things all around the place. I can't even find them. Can't find one. I'll take any high overall Fannies, really. Oh no, that's the biome again. It's coming really close to me. Don't let it end. Don't let the biome end here. I need a map. That's what I need. I need more Pokemon. Not enough Pokemon spawn. Like exactly the Pokemon that everyone wants. They don't spawn often. Oh, another Extreme Hill biome there. We're back in the high stuff. High areas. Come on. We'll take a Magikarp here as well. If I don't find one, I'll take a magic cup every week. Why is there like Jesus' cross there? Ores don't really need. I think they could be found in mines in extreme hills biomes, but I don't think I need to go into a mine. There's no Pokemon spawning. Is it over there? No Pokemon in the water as well. I'll put the recording back on when I find something, okay guys? Guys, I think I saw a Magikarp going down the stream. And I did! Level 5, I don't care. Come here, mate. Boom. Oh, what? Oh, he swims so fast. Oh no, come on! I pressed the wrong button. Yes! Magikarp, gotcha. Alright, Fury swipes. Oh, you splash. Nothing happened. Oh! Oh! We'll do bag Pokeball maybe. Just to get him a quick start. Center. He's in! He's in! Ah! Come on, go, 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 go! Ooh. We got level 5 Magikarp. And I'm happy a bit now. Right, can we find something good in here? In this desert biome. Actually, I'm just gonna change my video settings because I can't see anything in this chunks. Yeah, 4 chunks is better. Or only just. Oh, Geodude. Why not? I'll just fight it. For the XP. Bro, these Fury swipes from... Oh my gosh, that did nothing. Oh. It's doing nothing. Quick attack, just one more shot, yeah. Ooh. Your speed highly increase. Let's do some quick damage. Rock polish. Scratch. Oh! Oh! I don't care! Oh! Run! Oh! Where's an ocean biome? No! I need this! No! Oh, there's a Latias. Nah, I'm doing it for the video. I can't find it. Oh, that's actually sick though. That's actually sick that we found the Latias. Ooh. I'll just go into creative. I was just trying to go into creative mode and see where actually Latios is. But whatever, this place looks sick. Otherwise